This October, when England take on Cymru at Wembley, the match will be about more than just football. It will be dedicated to Alzheimer's awareness. Today, we're at the Cardiff City Stadium to meet one of Cymru's mascots, Griffiths, who has been nominated to walk out with Craig Bellamy's side. Let's go and meet him. Right, Chris, we got some fantastic memorabilia here, but this one really pops out, is you and Alan Shearer. Can you talk us about this photo? Both look really smart.
Well, you've seen a scruffy, you?
No. Look really smart there. Looks like a wedding.
Yeah, it was somebody's wedding. But it was only after a couple of weeks later they had divorced then.
Oh no. Here we've got Ian Rush's shirt as well.
Yeah.
What a player he was. Unbelievable. He was fantastic.
Oh, he was pretty, he was. It's a pity and all that. What's his name was left? The run round of the players. That's
the Gareth Bale.
I love that.
Yeah, he's fantastic, wasn't he?
Absolutely loved it.
Have you got a programme here, and obviously on the front is Gary Speed.
Yeah.
What a player he was.
Unbelievable, because
for Wales.
It was sad, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, it was terrible, yeah.
Yeah. But he was a great player.
My memories of Gary Speed, he always gave 100% as well.
Yeah.
Never let anyone down.
No, that's why I love the Welsh side so much.
Yeah. What does it mean to you for being Welsh?
Because it's my home. It's where I live, sort of thing. And everything is there for me.
Yeah, same.
Because it's the best place.
Best place in the world.
Yes. You're doing well.
Football seems a great way to connect with your dad. Obviously, you can see on his face how much he enjoys it.
Yeah, he's absolutely loved it down here today, meeting yourself as well. Football in general has been a big part of his life, and I think it helps bond everybody. It's just something to talk about as well, and something just to be together. And I think that's what he values as much as anything, is everyone just being together and enjoying whatever the event is, and if it's football for him, even better.
So what has been the best part of the Cardiff City Alzheimer's group for you, what they've done?
Oh, they give you something back, they do. It's nice for everybody, because there's some people struggling.
Did it come as a shock to the family with the diagnosis?
I think it was a little bit of a shock. Prior to the diagnosis, he had some confusion, so we were quite keen to find out the cause of that, but it's still a shock. But as you can see, and you've met him today, he's still full of fun, and we're really grateful for the experience he's going to have up in Wembley in a couple of weeks.
What are you looking forward most to going to Wembley?
I suppose it'll have to be the anthem, really. The old airs stand up a bit then.
And you'll be singing it as well?
Yeah.
Walking out?
Be rough.
Nah, you'll be fine.